Now let's focus on our next part, that is data sets. How to find data set and how to link the data set with your current notebook. So for this one, I'm going to open a new tab. I will keep that tab opened, and you will see here that go to datasets tab, and here you are going to find trending datasets. These are the new datasets that you can use, and I will recommend you to work on very simple datasets in the beginning, because if you are going to use advanced datasets or complicated datasets, that will make your process of learning complicated, and you might feel that this process is very difficult to learn and you will give up. So this is what we don't want. We are going to focus on very simple database first. Now let's find a very simple data set here. I will suggest you to find house prices. Yeah, you will find many data sets with the whatever the command that you are going to give. Click on filters and you will find a lot of options. One thing that I'm going to recommend here, in the beginning you can minimize the file size, maximize it. You can also select the file type. In the beginning I will recommend you to use CSV files. Then I will also suggest you that if the usability of the data set is 10, it means it is perfect for the machine learning model and it is ready. These are the different ratings based on the quality of the data set. So if the data set is not cleaned or there are some missing values, you should not select that. So I will click on 10. And highly voted for learning, I will suggest you to click on this. For beginners, click on apply, and these are the perfect data sets that we have shortlisted. Now you can see usability score is 10. It means this is already cleaned data. Click on this and you will find the complete information about this data set. You can see this is the file, this is the data set, these are the columns that we can see here. This is the overall view of the data. These are the activity statistics. 194,000 views, uh, 47.5 thousand people have downloaded it, and there are so many contributors of this specific data set. Now let's move to the real part here. You can find this data set here. You can see there is a download button here. You can also click on this one. Click on download button here and you will be able to download this data set. Definitely this is an Excel file, so we are going to open this, and this is the data set that we have found. And you can see this data set is very clean and there is nothing that is missing. So this is perfect for our analysis and for our project. Meanwhile, you can also explore some other data sets. You can also find this database. This is for housing prices. Yeah, this one might be more suitable because of the column names. Because the column names are very clear: price, area, bedroom, bathrooms, stories, and you can use this for our analysis. So I will download this one as well. This is also a CSV file. Perfect. So we are ready for our first step, that we are going to write the code now. So the code is already open, the notebook is already open. Now we have downloaded our data set, and we can upload our data set using this option, file, and I'm going to upload this file. Give the title housing dataset, dataset demo. Keep it private for now. Create. This dataset already exists. It means that this dataset is already on the Kaggle platform, but we will ignore this option for now, just for the learning that how you can upload your dataset here. Now this dataset is uploaded. You can see this file is here. This file path is already given here. And the next step is that we are going to write our first code using different libraries. And for this specific part, I will enforce, or I will suggest you to learn the basics of Python, because I might move with the Python codes very quickly. So sometimes students, they miss some concepts. So prerequisite of this course is that you should have beginner level knowledge or beginner level practice of Python language, so you can understand these coding part easily for your learning process. So this is what I will recommend you, although I'm going to give some details about the codes of Python, but again you have to get some initial level or beginner level knowledge or practice of the Python for this specific course. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create your first code that is going to link with the dataset.